Alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can create the beautiful tree map in Power BI. Okay, so I have already uploaded the dataset. Okay, and the dataset download link is mentioned in video description. You can just call that link in order to download the dataset. Okay, so when we import the dataset, we have something like this dataset. Okay, so for creating the tree map, click on this tree map and drag and drop here. For example, extend here in center of the screen. And after this, we inside the tree map, we have categories, we have details, we have values and tooltips. Okay, so first thing is, inside your main category, drag and drop this to the category. Okay, as in our data set, we have the three main categories. Okay, and basically we want the sale wise category. Okay, so drag and drop the sales to the values. When we drag and drop sales to the values, here you can see that inside these three categories, the first one is the maximum number of sales. In tree map, the first one has maximum value, then the second, and then the office supply have least values. Okay, so for example, if I enable the labels, data labels, then you will this check this out, the data label, as inside the technology the sales is 836.15k, and inside the furniture this is less than the technology one, that is 742, and the next thing is 719. It means that in tree map, the first one has maximum, then the second, then the second most is inside the downward, and the third most is inside the last one. So this is the beauty of tree map. So you can also change the colors, you can also enable the legends. Okay, and for the title you can here write the title. Okay, for instance, if we basically in this I create the tree map of the categories. For example, if I remove the categories and drag and drop here the subcategories that have more basically subcategory detail, here you can see that inside the subcategories, the maximum phones have the maximum number of sales, and the least one is this one. Okay, so in tree map, the first one is maximum and it gradually decreases, and the last one give us the least overall sales. Okay, for example, in our scenario. Okay, so after that, for example, if I drag and drop region to the more detail, show me the details of the region also. Here you can see that inside the phones we have four basically regions. It also tell us the east region have maximum, then the west, then the central, and then the south. Okay, so if I remove the subcategory and again drag and drop the categories, here you can see that the categories are now divided region wise, and it tells us inside the technology the east region have maximum sale, then the west, then the central, and then the south. Similarly for the others. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of Treemap. If you want to order me any related work, on the video description, go to the order link, open it, fill your criteria like your name, your email is very important. I will reply on your email which you provide me, and then you can also add any message or description, and you can attach any file. If you want, click to send me the order. I will check it and I will reply it to you. If you have any question, the question link is also mentioned in video description, or you can ask your question in the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice